In this video, I'll show you how to set up customized forms in system.io. First, log in and open the funnel or page where you want the form. Click on Edit Page and use the drag and drop builder. Add a form block. System.io gives you options like opt-in forms, contact forms, or order forms depending on your needs. Next, customize the fields. You can add name, email, phone number, or even custom fields if you want more details. Just click on a field to edit the label, make it required, or adjust the placeholder text. Keep it simple so people don't get overwhelmed. Then, connect your form to an action. Go to the form settings and decide what happens after submission. Add the contact to your email list, tag them, or redirect them to a thank you page. This step is key for automation. Finally, style the form to match your website. Adjust colors, fonts, and button text so it looks consistent with your brand. Preview on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks clean. That's how you set up customized forms in system.io. Subscribe